If you are a sheet metal manufacturer or laser cutting job shop, it's becoming increasingly common for customers to send 3D models instead of traditional flat DXF files. The question is, are you ready to generate quick turnaround quotations directly from these 3D files, or are you still asking your customers to convert and send them in DXF format? There are clear advantages to working directly with 3D models. You can easily visualize bends, assemblies, and how parts fit together. For example, consider this toolbox model. By accepting 3D step files, you position yourself ahead of many competitors who still rely solely on 2D drawings. The main reason some businesses avoid 3D files is that professional CAD software can be expensive or too complicated to use. However, with Smart Cut Quote, the process is straightforward. When you open a 3D step file, you can instantly see all components with their respective thicknesses. If there are parts you don't intend to manufacture, you can simply right-click and choose Do Not Process. You can also group parts by thickness and adjust K-factors according to your bending process. Once you've selected the parts to manufacture, just tick them and flatten. Smart Cut Quote automatically creates accurate flat patterns for your parts. When ready, you can export everything directly to Smart Cut for quoting. Once all parts are processed, the advantage is clear. From the 3D model, the software automatically picks up the thickness and quantities from the assembly. You can then nest the parts and your quote is ready to send to your client as a PDF.